Hello friends, welcome to Engineering at Moment channel. In this lecture, we'll study out production versus manufacturing. We'll study what is production versus manufacturing. We'll study some difference between production and manufacturing, and we'll take an example to understand that difference in a better way. So be connected to Engineering at Moment channel. Production is a process of converting any kinds of input to outputs. Manufacturing is a process of converting raw materials into final products or end product. This is a very important point to understand difference between production and manufacturing. Now, production is a process of converting any kinds of inputs. That inputs can be goods also, inputs can be services also, and then converting into outputs. And many in manufacturing you need raw materials to convert them into finished products. So production is a broader term in the sense that it applies to goods as well as services, and manufacturing is a narrow term in the sense that it only applies to goods. In production, company or individual has ownership of raw material. In manufacturing, company requires procurement of raw materials from different sources. So this point is easily understandable as you are converting some raw materials into finished product. You need to procure raw materials from different sources. So in manufacturing, company need to procure raw materials from different sources. Production involves goods as well as services as output. Manufacturing only includes goods as output. Production is used for both tangible as well as non-tangible output. Manufacturing is used only for tangible output. Tangible means something that can be sensed using touch, and non-tangible means something which cannot be sensed using touch. Man is a compulsory resource in production, and man machine both are compulsory resource in manufacturing. Every production may or may not be called manufacturing, but every manufacturing can be called production. Production is less complex as it involves addition of utilities. Manufacturing is more complex as it includes coordination between man, material, machine, method, etc. Now, the end product may or may not be sold but always create utility in production. The end product is tangible, so it always be sold in manufacturing. Now, forms of input in production is tangible and intangible both. Forms of input in manufacturing is tangible only. Let's take an example to understand the differences in the production and manufacturing in a better way. Assembling a pump. For assembling a pump, you need parts of the pump. So, when you get all the parts of a pump, you will assemble them and convert them into a pump. This is a production process. And designing and making a crankshaft. For designing and making a crankshaft, first of all you need to get a design of a drawing of a crankshaft, or you need some requirements where the crankshaft should be fit. Then you will convert that requirement into a 3D data. Then as per 3D data you will make a die, and with the help of die and raw materials, you need to set up a production process. For a production process you need to check manpower, skills, machine capability, process capability, etc. After you have produced the first crankshaft, you need to check its quality, and now you need to check OE of the machine for a manufacturing process in a continuous run. So manufacturing a product is a different kind, and producing a product or services is a different term. So I hope friends you all have got the difference between production and manufacturing. At Engineering at Moment channel, we will be bringing more lectures like this. All you have to do is subscribe our channel and like and share our videos. Thank you.